this video, you will get to know what to do a gunshot or golden thread piercing, because there are two types of piercing. On that note, guys, this is Kalyani Mitre. Namaste, everybody. This is Kalyani Mitre, and today I'm going to tell you the piercing two types, golden thread or gunshot. Let's start from most likely people do is nowadays gunshot. Okay, so this is done by gunshot, which I recently got it done about 2 to 3 months ago, and this is I did it in ninth, 8th or ninth standard, so it's like 8 years back, 6, 7 years back. Okay, so I have had experiences of both of them, and people love doing piercing anywhere. They literally do it anywhere. So, what are my pros and cons? What I felt when I did my piercing, I just want to tell it to you. Let's start from the gunshot. Gunshot is quick. Within nanosecond, the piercing is done, and what the jeweler, I got it done from the jeweler. So what the jeweler did it was, they at initial stage only they had put the earring inside my ear. So because of that, a little bit bigger hole was created, and after 1 or 2 months, you can easily wear any earring in your ear. So your that hole which is created in your ear is quite bigger, so that it's easy for you to wear earrings and you can start wearing it. Okay, but there's a big but in it. It's too excruciating, trust me. It was too excruciating, it was too painful for me to handle. When I got it done, I got it done in evening, and rest the entire night I was not able to sleep because it was swollen up. My ears still do hurts when someone touches unintentionally. It does hurt me a lot, trust me, because gunshot is quick, but it's really excruciating. Maybe we all have small soft bone, so maybe because of that I would have got swelling, the septic thing, where the pus and all does come from the pores, and the pimple sort of thing. Maybe may not be. If people would have got a gunshot over here or here, there's no bone as such. Here I have had, so maybe because of that it was too excruciating, but I really had to go through a lot of pain because of this gunshot. But it is quick, it's really quick as compared to the golden thread which I got it here. I got my golden thread in, as I said, 8th or ninth standard. I don't remember exactly. So I got it done, and the pain of the golden thread piercing equivalent to injection or ants bite. It was that minute, because what happened is, it's very small, it's very minute. The thread is really very small, minute, so it creates small hole. That means it is time consuming. It's gonna take 7 to 8 months for you to start wearing in your ear any other earring which you are planning to wear in your ear. So it is time consuming, but it is less painful. And on gunshot is painful, but not that time consuming. It's too quick. Within nanoseconds piercing is done, because the hole created is bigger. And in wire, golden thread, something, golden thread or golden wire, whichever you might be doing, I got it done from golden thread. So from that, it's very time consuming, but no pain, literally no pain. I had no pain. Like, you just have to put a little lukewarm oil and turmeric, just apply, so there's no injuries and all. Just take care of your ear, and you won't have any injuries, because your this place is quite delicate. So because you have done piercing, so because of that you have to take good care. You have to make sure that you put turmeric, so it doesn't cause any septic or any pus or any injury. You have to keep it moisturized by oil, or like I had put personally oil and the turmeric. And yeah, I do share my video to all the friends of yours who are getting their piercing done soon, who want to know more about the piercing and the pain which it causes, do share my video. And this is my Instagram ID. Do follow me if you really want to know my real life, because I'm more active there than here. I'm trying to be active and bring more content to this channel of mine. So do just subscribe. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and like, and just tell me more on which videos I should make more content on which you want me to talk about, on what you want to know more about me. Do tell me in the comment section. I am happy to read more comments of yours. That's all for today. Bye. Toodles. Take care of yourself and don't forget, be happy, be safe, and take care of yourself. You are worth all. Bye.